Hi guys, it's Deborah, and I'm going to do something a little different today. I'm going to show you all of the HTV that we sell and explain a little bit how to use it. I've learned this, as you know, I'm still quite new and I'm learning this as I go along. Plus, in our Facebook group and business page, I'm reading a lot of your questions. Samantha is really good about answering them, and I try to when I actually know the answer. Okay, let's get going. We're going to start in alphabetical order with 1, 2, 3 flex. As I've read on our Facebook pages, a lot of people love this. I love this. It's so easy to use. It's so easy to weed. I use it a lot for small type when I'm making shirts or whatever, because it's easy to get out those small spaces in E's and A's and O's. Anyway, we have 33, as of right now, 33 different colors. You can use a home iron. Actually, you can use a home iron with any of these. So I'll just say that one time. Yes, you can use a home iron on all of these HTVs. You want to set your heat press at 315, medium pressure, and you do want to mirror this, and you want to press it for 3 to 12 seconds with a warm or cold peel. My son-in-law said to me, he owns Heat Transfer Source, and he said the most important thing is time, temperature, and pressure. So that's what we're going to be talking about. The next vinyl is flock. Now this flock feels really heavy, but once it's pressed on, it's very soft, and it feels like flock. Go figure. So with this, we have, I think, 12 different colors. 315, medium pressure, 15 seconds, warm or cold peel. This size, I think, is a 10 by 12. That's the largest size we sell. Moving on, foil. So with foil, some of you have received foil in your packs, and with it, you also receive this. Now this is the foil adhesive paper. So with this, this is what you will run through your cutter to get the image, because this image has this paper has an adhesive on the back. That's why it's called adhesive paper, that will press onto your garment, and then you're going to hot peel that. And then once you have that image pressed onto your garment, you're going to cut your foil slightly larger than that image, lay it down shiny side up, and press that with a transfer, with a transfer paper over it. You want to protect that so it doesn't melt. You're going to press that for 10 seconds, also at 300, and cold peel it. It's really important that you cold peel foil. And also, if you've got some foil that's damaged or you want to just make it look different, crumple it, and it'll give it a distressed look when you iron it on. It's pretty cool. All right. Next, glitter. Oh yeah. Glitter, we have 33. Oh, with that foil, I think we have 70 plus different kinds of it. Glitter, we have over 30 different colors of glitter. And this feels thick. Once it gets on, it's thinner, but it's still a little stiff. It's not real stretchable and pliable like 1, 2, 3 flex is. You mirror this. You set it at 300 degrees, and you press it for 10 seconds and cold peel. Cold peel your glitter. Here's a little sample of what we've done with glitter. Isn't that cute? And I think they used just a flat iron with it. Okay, next is hologram. Hologram, we have over 20 different holograms. You cannot layer hologram. I don't know why, but I was told you can't layer it. This 315, medium pressure, you press it for 15 seconds, and you can warm or cold peel it. Next is Ironon fabric. This stuff is really cool, and we have 20 plus different fabrics. The thing about iron-on fabric, you don't mirror it. So since you don't mirror it, you're going to need a mask. If we sell this in a bundle, you'll always get some of this with it that we'll put in the bundle with it. And this mask has an adhesive on one side, the other side gets pulled off. You cut your iron-on fabric with a plotter or a Cricut or scissors. And one thing you do want to do to the edges of fabric, it's like any fabric, those of you who are seamstresses know this, you want to burn or glue the edges. I think what I might do is use clear nail polish just so they won't fray. And I think I told you you don't mirror this, and you use it with this mask. Here's a little sample that I did a long time ago with a little leather wallet, and it just got goofy, but it was an experiment. Okay, that's iron-on fabric with a mask. Then, I'm going to set that here. Next is soft metallic. We have about 20 different colors and patterns of soft metallic, and this is soft and it is also stretchable. You cannot layer it though. And it's 310, 312 degrees, medium pressure, and 15 seconds that you press. Moving along is our standard metallic. This is a little firmer than soft metallic. Same thing, same heat and time on it. But on your garment, it'll be a little firmer. Soft metallic, like I said, is stretchable. This is not. Okay, that's our standard metallic. Then we have pattern vinyl. And we have if I'm right, we have over 200 different patterns of our pattern vinyl. Look how beautiful these are, guys. And I mean, I just pulled 3, but the colors on this, aren't they gorgeous? So our pattern vinyl, you do not mirror. Again, you use a mask with this that is going to, you're going to adhere the image, your cut out image, you cut it with your Cricut or a plotter, scissors, and then adhere, you squeegee the pattern vinyl onto the mask, and then you'll heat press that onto the garment. So the back of this comes off because it's adhesive, the back of your pattern vinyl, and you use with a mask. Okay, that is that, except we also have release paper, and this is the stuff that makes so much noise when I'm doing videos, but it's really important that you put this on top of some of your stuff. We sell it by the pack, and it protects your vinyl, and especially with foil and things that have a higher melt possibility. I don't even know if that's a word, but so if you have any questions, please ask us. We'll try to get back to you right away. If you haven't, you can also call in. The guys are really good about answering your questions, I think. And that's it. It's been fun. Thanks, guys. Bye. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.